here in Costa Rica right now to make sure that we present ourselves to the region. So far we've been mainly focused on Europe and the United States, but particularly this event here in Costa Rica, which is focused on shared services, meets our objectives very well because we provide tooling for shared services organizations. And the main thing that we focus on with For Me is to make sure that customers can provide an interface for their employees that they can use whenever they need some assistance. So whenever they're stuck in a certain job, whether it's finance related or HR related or IT related, whatever their questions are or their issues are, For Me is there to help them. So that's also where the name came from. For Me is the portal, the self-service portal for the enterprise employee. The thing that the self-services organizations will help specifically, the thing that will help self-services organizations grow by using For Me is that it allows them to very gradually take on more responsibilities. So initially what we see is that shared services organizations, they start by taking over the simple, repetitive work from the local organizations that an enterprise has in the different countries in the region. But over time, these organizations, as they template these workflows, because they're so repetitive, they can basically standardize these workflows and improve them over time to really perfect them, to make sure that there's consistency in what is being delivered and that what is being delivered is done in the most efficient and effective way. Over time, as they template these workflows, they will have the opportunity to take on slightly more difficult tasks. And as time progresses, they will take on more and more responsibilities away from the local organizations, so that by centralizing them, they can standardize these workflows and eventually, and that is obviously the goal, try to automate as many of the steps of each workflow as possible. So by automating certain steps now, that'll free up a little bit more time to take on yet more responsibilities from the local organizations. And by automating certain tasks, it will increase again the efficiency, but also the accuracy, the consistency with which these tasks are performed. So over time we see that once a shared services organization has been established, they will continue to grow if they can standardize these workflows, templating them out, perfecting them over time, and then automating as many tasks as possible so that they can take on more work. So that's really how For Me helps shared services organizations grow over time.